So guys, to get into your Acer BIOS, make sure that your Acer laptop is turned off, then you want to turn it on, then you just want to spam F2 on your keyboard. However, just to make sure of the exact key that you need to press, just go to any web browser and then just type in your Acer laptop model, and then just type in BIOS button. It will then be telling you what your specific laptop BIOS button is. So for most Acer laptops, it's going to be F2. However, it might also be like F10 or delete or something else, but most likely it's still going to be F2. And I'm now on my laptop. However, I'm using a Lenovo laptop. Just imagine that this is Acer. So what you want to do, make sure that your laptop is fully turned off. Now you want to turn it on. As soon as it's turning on, you then want to spam the F2 button on your keyboard. But in my case, I'm using a Lenovo laptop, so I'm going to be spamming F1. But your case, just spam F2. So now I'm going to be turning it on. Now I'm going to be spamming F1 on my keyboard. Just going to keep on pressing on F1. In your case, keep pressing on F2 or whatever your BIOS button is for your Acer laptop. And now I'm in the BIOS right here. And in your case, you will now be on your Acer Laptop BIOS.